Hey guys, so how you all doing? I want to take you to the final stage of everything, guys. The end game. Everything how it's going to end. So please take screenshot, write it down because I am 100% sure it's going to happen this way. As I said in my last video, why vaccines are liquid, so I will further elaborate it so you have no doubt in your mind whatsoever, because this has nothing to do with death and pain, guys. Please remove that idea from your body that you can beg for death and pain, but they will give you even worse. This is not an ordinary life or intelligence we are dealing with. We are dealing with universal beings whose only task is to subjugate planets. This is a planetoid intergalactic universal conspiracy, guys. So it is very difficult for people to understand because they do not believe in aliens and higher force and higher power. So do you know what this will make humans? This is incredible thing that we have been programmed. Yes, guys, this is designed to convert humans into this. I can guarantee you I have made videos. Why do you think every year you think this is a story? This is the true end game of humanity. I can 100%. You will turn into this if you take this. Guaranteed. This is pure chemical reaction. Please do not take this medicine, vaccine. It is not a medicine. This is a a chemical reaction in your body which will convert a carbohydrate being into a hydrocarbon being. It is as simple as that, guys, and I can assure you this is the third world war. We are in midst of a third world war, guys. Third world war has started. Silent weapons for quiet wars. Please note this down. This is what is happening. It will be totally silent. The end of humanity will not be dramatic with explosions and sound, guys. The end of humanity will be silence. Please remember this. There will, wherever you see noises, remove that from your life. No, all the noise will be shut down. If you hear chirping of birds, the day is still there. When the chirping of birds stops, when the life around you slowly begins to stop, as in lockdown, movement of people restricted, this is nothing. Wait for what they have planned for you, guys. The silence, everything you didn't know where they have reached. They just have to switch the power on and we will turn to this, guys. They have invaded our life, they have surrounded it, and even this we are kind of late because our parents already gave us polio vaccine. Remember, one of my viewers has already commented, it doesn't matter if you are born in India, Africa, Bangladesh, anywhere you may have gotten the polio vaccine. 99% of humans got it. So I do not know what technology they are using, but if you have ever gotten a vaccine, this is very, very urgent. You can become this, but if you take Gates vaccine, you will be the first one to get it. Is 100% guaranteed, guys. So please avoid this at any cost. So it is a silent weapon for quiet war. As you see, they are shutting down the vocal cord. You are not allowed to speak. This will get even worse and worse people around you. So silence is the key, guys. Whenever you see silence around you, make sure to prepare. This is fake, guys. I can guarantee you, as I already made all drama, there will not be a explosive world war. All you see Trump blabbing around, all the blah 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 is coming to an end, guys. All words to distract you. No huge explosions. We know nuclear weapons are fake. You will never see mushroom cloud near your town. This is a guarantee from this channel. No mushroom clouds. All fake. No in China, US, India, China. No North Korea war. No, nothing will happen as you thought. This is all noise, guys. But the end will be silence. Everything. Because the beings who created this billions of years ago, yes, guys, I am taking the dreaded B word now. So there are beings who are billions of years old and they hate noise. They are done with because there are properties of carbon and there are many elements of beings, So whatever you do, it is just a property of carbon, but these beings operate in total pin drop silence, guys. Every creation these people have done is because of silence in their planet, guys. They don't like this noise and all. So our life and our third world war is going to be silent, guys, and they have done this. World War Z, this is zombie apocalypse, is the end game. I have already made a video, but I couldn't connect the dot because the information were not coming, They have not pushed their agenda that far, but when the Corona fake came, I could 100% connect everything, guys. Do you even know what Z means? As I have said, English is not the native language of UK, guys. This is an alien language. No one spoke English in United Kingdom 2000 years back. They spoke Gaelic, Celtic language. It has no relation to humans. Every human on earth spoke Tamil. Tamil from India is the ancient, most oldest language and derivatives of Tamil. If you look into Tamil language, every language on earth came from Tamil, guys. This Z is the last letter, and this makes 7. 7, is the angelic number of God. They want to turn this. Life is going to be upside down. That is why World War Z. Do not be under illusion that zombie word just came from some, rituals in Haiti. Do not be under any illusion. Zombie Z is all planned out. You have no idea what actually English language is, guys. It is an alien language to subjugate planets. So it has nothing to do with people in Britain. Those poor people spoke Gaelic. They were forced to learn English. So, World War Z. Z is the last letter and this is 7. And they want to turn the God, So arrival of God is near, but be under no illusion. You can never ever predict when God is going to come. As they say in Bible, but Bible people are the least prepared. You see the twisted game in everything. So this is the end game, guys. So I want to take you to your life, how you are going to get converted. You live in carbohydrate, carbon plus hydrate. You loved water. Every food you ate, forever and ever, all the food is carbohydrate and it loves water, guys. As I said, carbohydrates are hydrophilic. What is hydrophilic? Hydrophilic means water loving. You love water, right? Have you ever thought why you love water? Water is life. This is all, programming of carbon, guys. You should understand why you love water, why you can't survive without water, why your body will die. Because carbon loves water. Your body so far for thousands and millions of years were water loving, but the game is turning, guys. It is becoming water hating now. You are being exactly turned into oil does not mix with water. You are being converted into petroleum, guys. I always used to think where zombies are getting the energy. Make no mistake, all the movies are what they show, So that was the biggest confusion I had. They will not eat food, but from where their body is getting energy. It is petrol, guys. Hydrocarbon, their body is turning. They don't need to drink water or they don't need carbohydrate. Automatically their body is getting fueled because whatever their body is getting turned into different. As I said, hydrocarbons are hydrophobic. Molecules are made of hydrocarbons are hydrophobic. As I have already said it, hydrophobic literally means fear of water. Please remember this. You are being turned into carbohydrate to hydrocarbon. This is life and death, guys. Carbohydrate. water loving, hydrocarbon, water hating. You see the magic of carbon? This is an alien element, guys. This is fake, unnatural. This is created in a lab. Please understand this. We are under the slavery of a gigantic, empire. So that is why vaccines will be in this form, because this is can never ever be mixed with water. This can directly be injected into your bloodstream, because if this mix with water, you will just pee it off. As you know, many drug addicts also take vaccines, and the marketing push is it is much quicker. Yes, guys, but corona is not that deadly. You can ask for, since I don't have corona right now, let me just take it in a tablet form or syrup form. No, no. There will never be a tablet. There will never be a syrup of corona, this vaccine, guys. You have to take it even if you have a 6-month-old baby. They will inject it direct into your bloodstream, because even painkillers are sometimes given in, to your blood directly to ease the pain quickly. But it is not about quickly, guys, like how drug addicts take the drugs. It is about transforming your reality, because drugs come in solid form. Painkillers have tablets, but coronavirus will never have tablet or syrup. So be under no illusion. This is not what you think it is. This is to transform your entire body. Please, if you are you already know the properties of carbon. 666. This is an alien element. We were fooled, guys. Our bodies are supposed to be silicon. We were very high. Our planets, even Earth was silicon. It was totally destroyed, and carbon element was laid over. Everything you see around you is made of carbon, but that carbon layer is only 6%, 10% of the layer. Beneath it is still a crystal planet, guys. So they mixed it with hydrogen, carbohydrate, water. So water is an element, guys. It is not H2O. They will never share the secrets of water with you, because water is an alien life form. It is an element. So if you mix water with 666, you have life form, but it still sucks, right? Carbon is always shit, guys. It is the, mark of slaved species. We are all enslaved. They can do anything. Silicon is very powerful, and even top of it, the element of God is germanium, guys. I will make a video, but I'm literally running out of time. I have so much to share. So if you are having sickness right now, please take ginseng. I have already shared it, but I wanted to go deeper, but time is kind of running out. So if you are having any illness, please take ginseng. So as you can see, milk, apple, this is what you called life. Soon it is transferring into hydrocarbon, guys. Everything is going away. They told you this carbon is an element. No, guys, this is an alien element created in a lab to enslave planets. That is why it is hexagonal. It has all the properties of nature, but still it's fake. Let's see what they told you about properties of carbon. Nothing could be further from the truth. Physical properties of carbon can be usually be observed by using our senses. Phase, solid, allotropic, ultra physical power. This is what they told you, right? Let me rebrand this. The real properties of carbon, nobody taught you. It's sedative. You are always 90% of humans are sheeps, walking zombies. That is the property of carbon, not humans inside, because our soul was captured, guys. Our consciousness was put into a carbon body. That's how advanced these people are. When they enslave a planet, they use this technology, so it is sedative. That is why you always call, other human sheeps or wake up. It is sleepy. Carbon needs to sleep. You don't need, your mind is always active, but since you are in a carbon body, you need to sleep 6 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours. You love sound. This carbon always needs sounds. Music is life. It is not life. Carbon loves sound. Your actual nature is silence, guys. That is why they are the most powerful weapon they are using on third time, your last, end game. So always you will get it through silence. You will not see or hear it coming, guys. You always knew it, right? So the time has come. The end has come when you will not see and hear it coming. That is what. The end will not be dramatic, guys. I can assure you, your end, the worlds will end silently. You will not hear. If the music is playing in your neighbor's yard, you still have some time left. When the music stops, that's all. You know it's near. Creates karma. Karma is carbon, guys. They just change K to C. It's nature, the way it reacts. It has to create karma, What goes around comes around. All these spiritual crap that you have been learning and hearing, It is all because of you being trapped in a carbon body. So carbon creates karma, guys. Needs excitement, drama, story loving. It needs continuous excitement in life, drama, story, because it is sedative, guys. That is why when kids hear stories, they go sleepy. That is the properties when, you need to tell stories to kids for them to fall asleep, because that is not children, liking. It is the property of carbon. Socially active. This is very critical for you to understand. You can take a screenshot. It will be relevant for you. So Facebook, why people need to show themselves, always be in a group. Being in a group is what they are going to use it against us, guys. Needs energy for survival. It is parasity. You need to eat other carbon to stay your carbon body alive. This is, you are itself parasite. Even if you are a vegan, you need to keep on eating other life forms to make sure you survive. That is why the elites needs to eat you for them to survive. Needs bonding group, need to form a chain. This is the property of carbon. They hate loners like us, guys. Individuals who protect their data. They need you to go to Facebook and create social networking, because that is how carbon behaves. It needs society, it needs social understanding. Carbon is anti-spiritual, anti-God, guys. So the body, you are in it, but make no mistake, right now for your consciousness to survive, you need to maintain your body at times till the God comes, and He is coming, guys. I will come to it, but you need to prepare. That is the magic of God. It is, your body is anti-spiritual, anti-God, but don't be hard on yourself. Everything will pass, but do not be lazy too. So I really need to explain it clearly so that we can all be prepared. This is the most powerful number, guys. Very, very magical number, 50. That is why they always destroy 50. They want to keep 50% of people believing they are mainstream crap. 50 is very, very 5%, 5%, 50. So 50 is the magical number, and it is the number. If you can conquer 50, you can conquer entire planet. You don't need to make 100% of people. That is why we in conspiracy truthers are always fringe element, because more than 50% of population on earth believes in mainstream. So that is why they will never allow us to cross 50%, So as I said before, guys, there is a difference between mandatory vaccination and forced vaccination. They will not force you, but they will mandate. Mandatory vaccinations could come, but it will not be that as you are thinking, because they need to achieve 50%, guys, for 100 monkey effect. So they just want 50% of humans to get corona, and they will get 90. So you don't have to worry, but they will stop you from going to malls or taking airplane, flight, etc. So if they force you to get vaccine, it will break all laws. The game will be over. They still need to follow the laws of nature, guys. Otherwise, the entire experiment, physics will go away. So they will make it mandatory, but not forced, guys. So there is a difference. As everyone is telling, in Denmark and Australia, they are making it mandatory, yes, but not forced. So you still have a way around, So please remember this, very critical. So if 50% of people gets it, they will, even the mandatory will go away. So they will not ask paper. The gap between this lockdown is to mandatory. After a couple of years or 1 year or 6 months, I really don't know the time. No one knows actually. I will come to it why. So we need to do as we are doing. So This could take long or it could take 1 or 2 weeks because they want this number, guys. 7 billion, it should be 3.5 billion should have this corona fake virus. So this is the first, symptom of once you take this, you will see children with black eyes, as is happening in Western world, not in India right now, because Indians have not taken. These are all elite kids, as I said, Rothschild and Rockefeller and Bill Gates, everyone, those who are redheads, elite family, they need to sacrifice few of their kids. They need to take it. Then we will have some effect, guys. So you will see kids in Western countries who have been tried. That is why there has been hundreds of series. Even mainstream is saying the black-eyed children in US and America. Why, guys? Suddenly these people, it is undeniable. Even Western mainstream people are getting scared of these black-eyed kids. So this is the first stage, guys. These people are all been vaccinated. So their body is slowly turning into hydrocarbon. They don't need food anymore. They can just stand here for thousands of hours, They don't need food and water because their body has changed, That is the property of carbon. So this is the first step. The second step is lips, your teeth, you will have marks here. So if you take vaccine, you will see your face changing, guys. This first you will see blood becoming red and little dark spot. So this is the conversion from carbohydrate to hydrocarbon, water loving to water hating. This is the transformation of a carbon element, not you, guys. You have no idea how deep this goes. This is interplanetary. You are not alone. That is why they also introduced this. So if a girl gets this, she knows she can put this and still walk around. So that is also one of the reasons they will still, even after vaccinating, they will still they will still tell people to keep on wearing it, because once you take it, you will have this, but it will not last long, guys. Eventually, your whole body will start turning black. You cannot hide it. Everything will, this is the time when chaos come, when you start thinking that you will just shout yourself, you don't want to leave. It will not happen, guys. You will beg for pain and death and it ain't coming. Please do not kill yourself. Even if you have taken the medicine, it doesn't work the way you think, guys. That is your, carbon body talking. You really think pain and death is the solution? Wake up. You will beg for pain, it ain't coming, because it is not what you think it is, guys. So please do not commit suicide hospital when the symptoms start showing you. This is Third World War, guys. This is World War Z. Last letter of English language, 26-8, death. So World War Z, zombie. It is not a coincidence that zombie starts with Z in last letter. So you have no idea what actually. So even if you manage to kill yourself, you will rise from the dead. So don't waste the bullet, guys. Why do you think? How do you think you killed yourself and magically you are rising up? Because you took the vaccine, guys. So if you have not taken the vaccine, you will not get the symptoms and you will not shoot yourself. So if you shoot yourself and you get buried, you will rise from the dead, because that is magic. They just have to turn the switch on. That is why they have written the twisted in lot of twist in Bible. The dead will rise. How? Because it is the property of carbon. Their body will change because it can self-feed, guys. Carbohydrate needs things from outside. Hydrocarbon can eat within itself, So that is how magically the deads will rise, because it is the chemical property. So slowly it will be unmanageable. This is not zombie, this is chemical reaction, guys. So don't be scared, or because human beings are very dramatic and story loving. So that is the problem. As I said, anti-spiritual bonding, drama, so needs excitement. So they created zombie apocalypse to feed this property of carbon, excitement, drama, story. But this has nothing. This is chemical reaction. Your body is slowly turning from carbohydrate to hydrocarbon. You are becoming slowly black. You can take your pick if you have taken the vaccine. This is how one of you, if you have taken the vaccine, will turn into. This is World War Z, guys. And then the biggest thing, they know deep than we do. Why do you think zombies come together, guys? This is very, very important for you to know. If you become zombie, you will seek others. Why? But why they stand like this? Make no mistake, they know every properties of carbon. Why do you think? Because this, guys, needs bonding group, needs to form a chain. Because carbon loves chaining, guys. It can attach to itself, That is why humans love society, be social. So it is not you who is doing, being among group. It is group, it loves group. Carbon loves groups. That is why they join. They are trying to join. Why? All the zombies in the entire world will join. They will come from US to China to Japan. Everyone unconsciously will become larger and larger. That is what they show. So slowly you will turn into this and this and this, guys. Everything will become black. You will fully, your body will become black. You will slowly fall into ground. Your, all your bodies will become this, guys. You are looking at a vaccine from Gates turning you into a hydrocarbon. This is the end of the planets they conquer, guys. So we are already conquered. 50% was already over when they created a carbohydrate body. The next 50 is hydrocarbon, guys. So we were already in shit. Now we are in goo. So this is you, actually. You are alive. Your consciousness. Everything is you. Your name is John. You are 41 years old. You are born in United States, or India or China. Everything, but you are this. Now they can put you in a pipe tube, in a bottle, and transport you into another planet to infect you. Playing the same game. Do you think he is a zombie in Prometheus? No, guys, he played around with a alien chemical in another planet when he went to explore, and it was already conquered. That is why he is showing the same symptoms of zombie. So this chemical, this black goo, is in like very, very many planets, They have conquered many planets from these alien weapon, It is very silent. Those days are over, guys. This movie, this chemical they are telling, it's all chemistry, chemical are. So it can transfer. I am just telling what I know with my human knowledge and my thinking, guys. But it has, even aliens have not been able to do it. These are all good guys. These alien civilizations, what they show, don't fear them. This is a reaction of their body turning into black goo. So they have conquered not only humans, but thousands of planets, guys. This is interplanetary conquest. So your human carbon body will not work. So these people are also turning into liquid, guys. Zombie. So every species, even elephant, dog, cat, will behave like this, So you have to be very, very careful. So please do not. This is how they programmed us. Explosion. So the goal of human beings is to create a Death Star. That is old wives' tale, guys. This is over 20 million years ago. The empire has gone way past. See, when our bodies were liking entertainment, excitement, and all the forms of all these things, sleeping and cigarette and loving music, they moved from Death Star. It has become an old story in galaxy. They are laughing at you, and they have moved into liquid alien tech, guys. Imagine if a normal being from Japan can find out the magic properties of liquid water, what these people can do. So the technology of enslavement has moved billions of years ahead, guys. So this is what the new silent weapon is, guys. Silent weapon for quiet war. You will not see it coming, guys, nor hear it. It will be so silent. So we need to be very, very calm and collective. Please move away from news, mainstream Trump versus Xi, Modi versus Pakistan or All wherever you hear sound, you can be sure it is not coming from your death is not coming from there. It is very very silent, guys. Third world war will be silent. So I am coming to the solution. So solution is also easy, because I have been into aliens, the blue ETs who managed to keep this shit away from their planet. And the easier, but this looks easy, but it takes millions of years to find this, guys, because this black thing, it is only active when temperature rises, and they have planned it that also. So when you see people, martial law, everything, this is what I want to see. When you see people face changing, temperature changing, move north with seawater, Canada, Russia, Antarctica, the colder the better. So this is a place in Canada, northernmost Canada, Nunavut. So if you are an American or a Canadian or an Indian, move north, guys. Move to a colder temperature. So this infection cannot affect you, even if you are, you have taken a polio. Because we all have taken polio vaccine, so I don't know what it was inside that, or maybe because aliens are already figured everything. So even if you don't take corona, but if you have taken polio, I cannot guarantee you will not turn into zombies. So you have to be prepared, guys. But if you have taken the corona vaccine, it is 100% guaranteed you will turn into zombie. But they can do, but as I said, you need to move to a coldest place on earth. So this carbohydrate to hydrocarbon chain reaction, every chain reaction needs heat, guys. It needs an external energy. So heat is the one that excites it to convert. So as long as you are living in a sub-zero temperature, your body will not convert. So please, as soon as you see martial law, all the crap breaking down, head north. I cannot stress this enough. With the seawater, this is your savior, guys. You can live on seawater alone. Please understand. I will post the link. Please watch that video. Take a gallon, 50 liter, 100 liter, 500. Move your family north. This is your saving grace, Move in sub-zero. It should be sub-zero, It should not be 2 degree, 3 degree. It should be sub-zero. Sub-zero place. And which you don't need to eat. This is a highly advanced technology which you can survive on forever. It has all the minerals, elements, everything to keep you alive for hundreds of years till God comes. I can assure you, this is another form of alien technology. Sea water, guys. You have to get it. No excuse. So as I showed you, I am showing you the map. So this is, if you are an American, do not move to green pastures, guys. Do not come here, equator. Green is danger, actually, because green is carbohydrate. You need to move to white area, Nunavut. I have just found out this area, Nunavut, So if you are, this is the most dangerous place, because they will start because most of the kids are turning black in United States. So please head north, not Mexico, Canada. No, never here. Not to that equator, never. Please reach here, but I don't know how much border they will close, but where to, that is a, life-saving thing. So, Greenland, but there are many alien and United States base already in Greenland, everything. So, there are thousands of islands. Take seawater. Do not worry about living with, rice or bread. Seawater, guys. Just take seawater, because only the effect of thirst, seawater is only 1 week, I have used it. So 1 week you will feel thirsty. After that it will be natural. You don't need to take even normal water. But if you are starting out like right now, so you will feel thirsty suddenly taking seawater, It should contain the salt. You should feel thirsty. Then slowly you should drink normal water. But then you will get used to drinking seawater, guys. So go to northern hemisphere, Russia, Siberia, but they have done for us Indians a huge scam, guys. Siberia, all Russia is good for humans. It is all, sub-zero. But they know, guys, they are going to change the temperature. That's why they push this, Greta scam, climate change. They are way ahead of us, because when the time mercury rises, they will increase the temperature with chemtrail and everything, guys. So ice will start to melt and she will scream, see, I told you, climate change. No, guys, they are activating the vaccine inside your body. So please watch for weather. When you see unusually higher weather, like unbelievable weather, very high temperature, then the zombies will start appearing. So watch out for mercury rising, and please do not wait for the chosen one. It is impossible to know when he will come, because that is how it should be. So watch out for she coming back, because she has faded away. She will make a grand entrance again when the temperature rises, because this chemical black goo, it needs high temperature to do its magic. Please do not wait for the chosen one, because arrival of God before the apocalypse is no one knows, guys. Why do you think it is written by aliens? Bible was written by aliens. No one knows the time and arrival of God. So I am not sure why biblical people always not prepare themselves when it is written in Bible itself. Why, guys? How you cannot know because God is curved, guys. Space is curved. Time is linear. God is coming to curve the flat surface. We have flattened the curve. So you will never know when God can come, and it is like that because He is the most private individual. You can never steal data from God. He is the one, guys, chosen one. One can never become two, one and only, one like no other. How? Because you cannot make a copy of God. You cannot create a blueprint of God, guys, So you can never ever expect. So I can never tell you because it is flat. On flat earth I can tell you, but God is curved, guys. Because on flat earth you have the four corner, time is linear. You can see it coming. But God is curved. You will never see when God comes. So do not be stupid and wait for God. No one knows. Even aliens don't know. The greatest technology, all this crap I have told you, it is nothing in front of God, guys. God is the bomb, He is everything. And physics, real physics believes in God. Absolutely 100%, So I believe in God. 100 trillion %. He is the biggest show. But I don't know the time. He is the most private individual, guys. There is no copy of God. Otherwise, these people, if they know the data about God, they will make carbon copies, guys. That is how we all were fooled. We are all children of God, angels, but we are not God. So they created blueprints, carbon copy. Why you think carbon copy is blue, I will come to it. Why your liquid crystal display is blue. If you sit in front of laptop, you are already copied. So God will not. God is most private. You cannot send any paparazzi, any device to track God, guys. So please do not wait for God. Do this. The chosen one, no one knows when he is coming. So do not expect me to answer that question. It is impossible. No one knows. It is physics, guys. So please carry this seawater and go to the sub-zero climate. This is your savior, guys. Till the one comes. I cannot tell you when he comes. So whenever and it is coming, guys, it will be very silent, So everything will collapse. Wherever there is noise, everything will collapse, guys. So he talks a lot, so you can be sure there will be no government. It is by design they created a thing called politics, guys, because they talk a lot, You see how deep these people are. Where we are, what we are dealing with, everything, music industry, Hollywood, stories, they all talk. That is why the corona, this, sound is always, they have put a strip in our mouth. So please do not fight. These people still have consciousness. They are all good people. You can, if you are, someone gets, is not listening to you and gets a vaccine, please try to give them seawater, I think I have not tried it, but I am very sure it will have some effect on the zombies. It may even cure us, deep seawater. But you should have, if you are in United States, you must keep seawater with you. Any time it can come. So yeah, guys, in conclusion, when everything is coming down, head north. This is your saving grace. Head to the coldest place with seawater, guys. As I said, as soon as there is zombie outbreak, martial law, society collapse, grip going down. Head north with seawater. You can please take a screenshot of it to a sub-zero place with dead silence, absolute silence. Even when you reach, Antarctica or Nunavut in Canada or Russia, Siberia, make sure the place is dead silent. You should hear what is coming, because the thing what is going to come to take you out will be absolutely in silence, guys. So you should be even more silent than the one that is going to get you. So go to a sub-zero, get a jacket, sub-zero temperature jacket. Get seawater, guys. Everything will run away, but seawater should not. So I cannot give a bigger help. People are asking, when the shit show comes, you can take any water. But right now, if you can go deep inside sea water and get the deep ocean, that will be good. But when society collapses, just to go to the seashore and get it and run to northern side, guys. But what they have done to India and China is they have blocked access, All the cold climates are being stationed by Chinese and Indian army. No war, guys. Just they want to make sure people don't come to these Himalayas. It is the coldest region for us. So you know why they are stationing. Jammu Kashmir is already cut off. You cannot even move here. They have stationed thousands of people. And here Himalayas, all India and China. Why India, guys? Because it is the line, it is the center of the center of the center, guys. 77. That is why lot of gods come. It's all reptilian gods. If you control this area, you can control basically the entire galaxy, like that, guys. That is why they want to kill maximum Indians, guys, 90%. So if you are an Indian from Bangladesh, Pakistan, Philippines, Thailand, run to Russia, guys. But Russia, they will collapse Putin. Army is definite, guys. They will ask for papers, your movement will be restricted, So, but now you know where to go, Cold climate, guys. Head north. Yeah, guys, I hope this is clear once and for all, because I have a lot to cover. So now you know what to do, when to do, how to do, all the answers. I hope it's clear. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I will make another video on the arrival of God, and you will never know when he comes, so don't wait for him. Why it is like that, etc., etc. Yeah, guys, thanks.